Yet another New Mexico law enforcement officer is linked to an alleged nationwide gun trafficking scheme. Now, we first told you about this case last month. Investigators say multiple people in New Mexico worked to illegally get and then sell more than 1,000 fully automatic guns. Tommy Lopez has been following this case for us. So, Tommy, what have we learned at this point?
We now know investigators say a New Mexico state police officer was involved. The unnamed sergeant they call an armorer joins Manny Gonzalez, who was the Bernalillo County sheriff at the time, and Gonzalez's former undersheriff Rudy Mora. They are not facing criminal charges, but at least 6 other people are in this investigation. Federal prosecutors describe this as a conspiracy spanning at least 4 states. First, we saw a federal indictment. Today, we are seeing a recently unsealed search warrant. Investigators say law enforcement played important roles, using their positions to help gun sellers get restricted guns. The feds classify them as machine guns. They claim no one intended for those guns to end up with those departments. The goal was to sell them, often for $10,000 or more. Those officers reportedly submitted requests like these that can only come from law enforcement. Investigators say this letter from New Mexico State Police is an example. You can see that's official letterhead from the Department of Public Safety there, and it lists Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham's name there because that is part of her administration. A state police spokesperson says they can't release the officer's name because the investigation is ongoing, but they say the sergeant is still employed with NMSP, and they added that they cannot take any accusations seriously. And they added this, quote, "If any of our personnel engaged in inappropriate or criminal behavior, it will be dealt with swiftly." The current Bernalillo County sheriff got in front of cameras after the news broke about former sheriff Manny Gonzalez.
It's not acceptable. That's not something that we need to, how we build public trust. Even before I took office, it was always a concern of mine on what any administration would do previous and what we don't know about.
Investigators believe the gun shop owners were the brains behind this scheme, and that includes an Albuquerque man, James Tafoya. We're showing you video here of 2 of his gun shops, ones that investigators have named in these court documents. He's facing federal charges that could mean up to 30 years in prison. A judge released him to await his trial. We still don't know whether investigators have evidence that any of these guns made it to New Mexico. We just know there were an awful lot of requests. We've reached out to the other people in New Mexico who are allegedly involved in this. We have not heard back. We also did not hear back today from a spokesperson for the governor.
And Tommy, you found some of these requests for fully automatic guns were particularly suspicious, so to speak.
Yeah, investigators say a seller with no ties to New Mexico asked for 72 guns for the police department in Ray, North Dakota, which has just 1 sworn officer. Some of these sellers were making a lot of money. Investigators say they found a collection valued at $1 million in one bust. That was in North Carolina. The goal of all of this was to sell to mostly collectors. A lot of these guns are rare, they're expensive, and the sellers were importing many of these guns from overseas.
Well, we'll continue to follow the investigation as more developments come out, that's for sure. Tommy, thanks so much.